partly cloudy. Highs near 50. Tuesday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower to mid-20s. Wednesday, partly cloudy. Highs near 50. Wednesday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the 20s. You're listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, broadcasting 24 hours a day from the National Weather Service office in Boulder. This broadcast serves the greater Denver metro area on stations KEC 76 on 162.55 MHz in Denver and WXM51 on 162.475 MHz in Meade. Is above normal. The normal high temperature for tomorrow is 45 degrees, and the normal low is 19. The record high for tomorrow is 73, which occurred in 1954, and the record low is -14, which occurred in 1905. Sunset tonight is at 5:31 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 6:54 a.m. The 4 p.m. observations around northeast Colorado. Denver International Airport with fare. The temperature was 50 degrees, the dew point 21, the relative humidity 32%. The wind was northeast at 6 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.90 inches and falling. So what you're hearing is NOAA weather station WXM51 on 162.475, weather band channel 4. In those towers way in the distance there is some towers that I talked about in a previous video about the 90.7 and 91.9 FM. They're kind of hard to see with the max zoom, but you could probably see those towers. Let's see if I can try and get my hand in here. That left, oh no camera, don't focus on my hand, but that left one right there is just like a microwave tower, kind of shorts. From my view, I can see one of the FM towers, but the one that you can see in the middle, which is a lot closer, is the actual WXM51 transmitter with 300 watts. And then the one on the, sorry, did I say, if I said right, please correct me. Actually, you can't actually see the microwave one, so the far left one, or the far right one, excuse me, is the either 90.7 or 91.9 FM. The middle one is WXM51 with 300 watts, and the very right one is just a cell phone tower. I'm going to bike a little bit closer to see if I can get it better. There you go, you can kind of see them better. That far right one, let's see if I can get my hand in that far right, just to the left of that tree on the right, is the microwave one. If we go a little bit left to the next one, that's the one of the FM, and then that, if we go left again, you get the WXM51, and then the left is the cell phone. How I know that center one, I guess you could say center if you're looking at the three that are more easier to show, is how the National Weather Service distributes Paul's voice and other announcements to the transmitters is either via wireless and phone lines. And you can usually tell the difference. Wireless is a little bit more quiet via noise and just the voice overall, which is really not good if you're trying to dig a signal out of static. It's a little bit, I wouldn't say it has more high frequency response, but it sounds just a little bit more crisp than the phone ones, which have a little bit of a hum. It depends on how loud of the hum, but usually like a hum, and there's some noise in the background. I don't know if that's due to amplifying or whatever. So since this one is so strong, even in like a concrete brick building where like most FM signals and stuff can't go through, I can still get this signal without an antenna up. So I was able to tell that it had a hum and stuff, and when I re-looked at the Google Street View, that transmitter, or that antenna right there, is the only one that had the phone line, since it's on a county line, the power and phone line wires are above ground than below, and you can just see it's the only one where the phone line and stuff goes to the building.
high temperature was 52 degrees and the low 23 degrees. No precipitation fell today, which leaves the monthly total at 1.03 inches. This is 0.86 inches above the normal amount of 0.